Hello everyone, I'm Judy Hobbs of Zootopia. I'm here to help you out for this topic, vowel diphthongs OY, OI, OU, and OW. Are you ready? For English 3, Quarter 4, Week 6, Lesson 2, our topic is about vowel diphthongs OY, OI, OU, and OW. The most essential learning competencies. Read words with vowel diphthongs OY as boy, OI as boil, OU as out, OW as bow. Read phrases, sentences, and short stories consisting vowel diphthongs OY, OI, OU, and OW. In reading, understanding how to read words is very important. In the previous lesson, you have learned that vowel digraphs are combinations of vowels to make a single sound. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to read words, phrases, sentences, and stories containing vowel diphthongs OY, OI, OU, and OW. Here's an example poem, Roy and His Clown Toy by Glenda A. Capistrano. Roy has a clown toy. He named it Bound. It has brown coiled hair and big round eyes. It's wearing a blouse with a black tie. His friends join him to play with Bound. They enjoy the day having Bound. Now, what are the words underlined in the poem? The words are Roy, clown, toy, bound, brown, coiled, round, blouse, join. Another word, bound, enjoy, and another word, bound. What do you think are the sounds produced in each word? Let us pronounce again the underlined word one by one. And let us identify altogether the produced sound. The first one is Roy. Roy has a sound of oi, Roy. Clown. The sound is ow, clown. Toy. The sound is oi, toy. Next is bound. The sound is ow, bound. Brown. The sound is ow, brown. Coiled. The sound is oi, coiled. Round. The sound is ow, round. Blouse. The sound is ow, blouse. Join. The sound is oi, join. And enjoy. The sound is oi, enjoy. All the produced sounds are called diphthongs. Or, to be specific, these are what we called vowel diphthongs. Let us now try to answer Task 1. Copy the table in your notebook and classify the underlined words in the poem according to their sound. Task 1 is based on the poem read. Words with oi sound. Coiled, join. Words with oi sound. Roy, toy, enjoy. Words with ow sound. Bound, round, blouse. Words with ow sound. Clown, brown. Vowel diphthong OW can also be read as O. What do you mean by vowel diphthongs? Vowel diphthongs are sounds formed by combining two vowels in a single syllable. The sound begins as one vowel sound and moves towards another. The most common diphthongs in the English language are the better combinations OY, OI, OU, and OW. Here are some example words. OY, toy, boy, soy, enjoy, destroy. Words with OI, oil, soil, coil, toil, boil. Words with OU and has OW sound. Out, mouth, cloud, blouse, house. Words with OW sounds as owl, owl, brown, crown, frown, town. Here are some sample phrases. Toil the soil, join the team, boil the water, a brown round toy, a pretty cold crown, a blue cloud, taste the soy, count the coin, enjoy the show, boy and his toy. And here are some sample sentences. The farmers toil the soil. Roy joined the sports team. I enjoyed watching the clown's show. Father bought me a brown round toy. The princess is wearing a pretty gold crown. Let us proceed to task 2. Label each picture with the correct name. Write the answers in your notebook. First picture, soy. Second picture, soil. Third picture, mouse. Fourth picture, house. Fifth picture, owl. And for our task 3, read the phrases and copy the words with vowel diphthongs. Write your answers in your notebook. Example, an old toy. The word with diphthong is toy. Number 1, a new toilet. The word with diphthong is toilet. Number 2, an enjoyable voyage. The word with diphthong is enjoyable. Number 3, 5 big oysters. The word with diphthong is oysters. Number 4, a chocolate moist cake. The word with diphthong is moist. Number 5, bow and arrow. The words with diphthongs are bow and arrow. Number 6. Down the river. The word with diphthong is down. Seven. A modern house. The word with diphthong is house. Number 8. A loud sound. The words with diphthongs are loud and sound. For task 4, read each sentence and answer the questions that follow. Write the answers in your notebook. Number 1. Roy toils the soil with his friend Moy. Question A. Who toils the soil? The answer is Roy. Very good. Letter B. Who helped Roy toil the soil? The answer is Moy. Letter C. What are the words with vowel diphthongs based in our sentence? These are Roy, toils, soil, and Moy. Number 2. The tailor sews a gown for the crown princess. Letter A. Who sews the gown? The correct answer is tailor. Letter B. To whom is the gown for? The correct answer is for the princess. And letter C. What are the words with vowel diphthongs? These are tailor, gown, and crown. Number 3. The boys go around the playground. A. Who go around the playground? The correct answer is the boys. Letter B. Where do they go around? The correct answer is playground. And letter C. What are the words with vowel diphthongs? These are boys, around, and playground. For task 5, read the short passage and copy the words with vowel diphthongs in your notebook. The passage is: Noy is a newspaper boy. He wakes up early to sell newspapers. He wants to earn money for his mother. Every day, he goes around the town and shouts, "Newspaper! Newspaper for sale!" He sells 20 pieces of newspaper a day. His newspaper costs 10 peso coin. He gives the money he earns to his mother. His mother is very happy and proud of Noy. The words with vowel diphthongs are Noy, boy, around, town, shouts, coin, proud. For task 6, complete the paragraph by selecting the correct answers from the given choices. Do this in your notebook. Vowel diphthongs are sounds formed by combining two vowels in a single syllable. The sound begins as one vowel sound and moves towards another. The most common diphthongs in the English language are the letter combination OY, OI, OU, and OW. Please like this video, subscribe, and get notified.